Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. Are we gonna be drawing together? In this video, we're gonna be drawing an elephant. First, let's draw the trunk. Just like this is a curve, and then the tusk. Just draw two tusks on the sides of the trunk. And now we're gonna draw a circle or novel for the head, and the eyes, two circles, ovals on the cheeks for the plus, and then the parent for the trunk. And now let's draw the sparkly eyes, just like this, two circles inside and a circle. And draw two big ears, then draw another one, smaller ones inside each ear, just like this. Now let's draw the body. First we're gonna draw the legs, the front legs, just like this. One more, and then the body, the big tummy, and then the legs at the back, and one more, two legs. Don't forget the tail. And done. Now let's draw the nails, just like this, and it's done. We are ready to color. Let's color the eyes black and also the tip of the tail. The rest of the tail is gray, as well as the body, but I'm gonna start with the ears first. Just the outside of the ears, not the inside, because the inside is gonna be light pink or salmon. Now let's color all the body, the trunk, and everything gray. Once done with coloring the body, let's start with the cheeks, the rosy cheeks, pink, and also the insides of the ears, salmon, or you can use light pink. And when you think that you need to fix the color or feel there's some white part still there, then you can do it. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!